In this exam application tutorial, we are looking at percentage yield. The question for 2 marks: explain why actual yield is usually less than theoretical yield. So in other words, give 2 reasons why we get less product in a chemical reaction than we would expect to get. So theoretical yield is the maximum amount you expect to get, but we never actually get that much in a chemical reaction. Why? Firstly, the reactants may contain impurities, so you may measure the mass of your reactant and think, oh, I've got 100 grams, but reality is you probably got other bits in there which you didn't want in there, and they're also accounting for the mass measured. Some product may be lost when transferring from the reacting container. So if you've got a chemical reaction happening in a container, you probably won't get all of it out of the container. Some might be stuck to the sides, a bit like when you're making a cake mix, you never manage to get all of it out. And obviously, not all the reactants may actually react. So for example, you can see this is a reaction, wood's burning, but you can see that it's gone out, the flame's gone out before burning all the wood. So maybe not all of the reactants actually are involved in the reaction, so the reaction doesn't finish completely.